Okay, so the last few things I need to do are such as this is all done. This is not the one I was looking for. Stringifier, thank you. I'm pretty sure I do not have CICD set up for this yet. So that's something I need to do real quick. And to do so, first of all, I'm going to actually open up Unicode HPP, which has something very close, very similar. Let's pull any changes I have to this guy. Shouldn't be much, but there's a few. Just grab this wholesale. It's basically the same thing. Pretty sure. So, what do we have? Submodules, which I don't have any. C-test will output stuff on failure. That's good. Platform tests. Let's get rid of this weird whatever I was doing with this. Whoops. No. Static analysis. That's great. Format. Screw format checks. I don't care. Yeah, screw all that. We'll just have platform tests, and that's it. We have the platform test stage, and in that stage we have two build types. We have for Unix. Do I want Mac OS as well, actually? And in fact, I mean, Mac OS does not support Vulkan by default, but through the Molten VK it does. Just wait, hold on. Why am I even thinking about that? None of this actually requires Vulkan to work. I just want to make sure that the tests I do work. Idiot. My God. I do have one for. Actually, that's something I can add to the Unicode HPP too at the same time. Interesting. And I'm pretty sure in here, I will have my Mac OS template. So we have the Unix template. Make see it makes and changes into the build directory, builds it, and then we'll now test it. Ninja test. Or actually just run C-test if we can do that. And then we're probably going to want to do the same thing on the Windows side. It generates a build PowerShell, which then makes a copy, and the build directory runs Ninja inside of it. If it fails, it throws. If it tries to build, if it fails, it throws. And we're going to do the same thing here. Echo C-test. Drive the out file. This, I'm aware that GitLab now supports Docker on Windows containers, I should say. But I'm not entirely sure how good it is. Right now, I just run it as shell. It just builds a PowerShell, and then it manually calls like Docker run. I gotta look into fixing that up, imagine. Later, build a PS1. I know that this works for the time being. So I'll just do another if not, blah. And if it catches it, it throws an error. Okay, so we have Fedora, GCC Clang, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Debian, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Windows, both MSVC and Clang. Oh, I do have Mac OS down here. Okay, I don't have to worry about that. I am an idiot. Ha ha ha. See, test. Wasn't aware I didn't Mac supported this. Windows template, Windows template. These guys are all using the Unix template. Okay. HP, CI/CD. And test pipeline. Continuous integration. For sanity test. Build test. Sanity build test. Building for sanity. Yeah, for sanity. Go. Throw it up. And let's see what it does. Show me. Failed right away. Ooh, okay, that really did fail fast. I need Vulkan for the tests. But of course it's not added by default on Mac OS, which means I need to. Which does mean I do need to have a look at this main. Because somewhere inside of it, in the Vulkan, kill that includes the make list.txt. Do. Don't do that. .h. No. Do I not? This does build in Mac, right? Yeah, right here. GCC and Clang. Which are the same thing, admittedly. Static and shared. Doesn't even matter. Actually, I do like that a bit more. Iterations upon iterations. And it's not shared. Mac OS. I mean, I know they're the same thing, but let's just be doubly sure that if someone does, then it comes out the same thing. Do. SG Ninja. Don't need any of this stuff, do we? Actually, we do need building tests. There you are. Build test, yes. Build test, yes. And I need to set the Windows one to build a release variant as well. That's a bit better. And then run this as C test. Now, I'm confused because I'm pretty sure that main is supposed to also use Vulkan and be on Mac OS. So I'm wondering why it's not finding the Vulkan header. Correct. Oh. Say Clang static. Okay. Okay. There's no Vulkan renderer on, but that still should find the header. Interesting. If I was to rerun this right now, actually, it only takes a minute 20 apparently. It will find everything fine. That's my garbage sneeze. Yes. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I must have a Vulkan add library Vulkan or required Vulkan. Required. Here we go. This is probably it right here, right? You. Vulkan library. Aha! This is how it's found. It's something I only require here. Oh, get out of my way. Make test. That's good. Okay. So, I'll just F it into the other one. I'll just use it as a fix-up once once I have this branch complete, I'll just squash them or fix them up into the other ones. So when we go into master, it only comes out as a single commit. Which means enum Stringifier. Okay, it's failing a lot of them, but what's wrong with Fedora? This is true. A lot of my images do not have Vulkan installed. So, okay, while we're here, what's wrong with the Mac OS? Still can't find it. Okay, why? Okay, hold on. My main source requires it. Why does my main source require it? Am I retarded? What am I missing? Okay, go away file that doesn't exist anymore. Why do I need, why does this need Vulkan? It doesn't. Okay, removed. Yes. Put that up. Okay, while we're here now, Windows will be the same thing. You can't find Vulkan header. Yeah, okay. I'm going to swap these out to be using my larger images. So instead of these guys do have it. And fix up again. Oh, the fun of working off a... And then this is why I do it. Like I found this little bug where I'm including a header that I don't need. That's why we're here. Okay, great. There's a whole bunch of other things instead now is going on. Vendor tags. Implicit instantiation of undefined template. Standard vector basic string. Oh, what? What? Ninja release build tests on. This is like C++ 20, correct? Does macOS just not have C++ 20 yet in 2020? Is this... No. Because it's complaining about vendor tags. Vendor tags is... vendor tags. It's a string stream or a vector of strings. That's some pretty basic nonsense. Pretty sure that's supposed to exist by now. Hmm. Hmm. Error implicit. Line 344. 344. It's this guy right here, right? Yeah. Yeah. Implicit instantiation of this guy was a parameter to a function. Yeah, okay, this is something I gotta... Maybe this is how maybe I just skip Mac OS since they can't figure out how to do basic. Because this is What? Are you serious? I would have to include string first to satisfy the macOS gods. This doesn't like. No. No. Okay, everything else still failed anyways. Wow, nothing's going right. Okay, Fedora Clang worked. OpenSUSE did not. I'm just going to imagine it's something along the lines of, because the compiler is freaking ancient on OpenSUSE. Wow, okay. I'm impressed. I'm just going to have to really eliminate a lot of systems. And then this just has a really old version of... This just has an older version of Vulkan headers. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I'll just skip all the other garbage platforms that have ancient versions of everything. Um, what's wrong with Mac now? It still doesn't understand the standard vector. What is a standard string? Implicit instantiation of undefined template. Like, I'm interested. What's going on, guys? Uh-huh. 344 is definitely vendor tags with a standard vector, standard string. Is it just not understanding this? Vector. I don't have vector, do I? No, I do not. Ooh. Oh, I need turn formatting on, don't I? Whoops, go. So I can at least get Mac OS back on track, correct? Please tell me I can do that right. Please. Then I can start working on maybe backporting from C++ 20. You might have something else wrong, aren't you? Yes, you don't have a new enough version of The flags either. Okay, let's see if we can find an older version of flags to use instead. So, whoops. Do. Flag bits. I just don't know what's from what, really. So we'll just go with you guys. You don't have a flag. You don't have flags. You do. You don't have enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to find all of these guys. Find, whoops. And we're going to replace it with that. Concurrently impacted. And you will become performance impacting. Same thing here. And we're going to change that out to the performance counter description. There you are. Oh boy. Do it. Do it. Emperor, do it. That didn't work. Use undeclared. Concurrently impacting. Ah, crap. Just back up. Back up. This is harder than I imagined. Okay, we just want flag bits. Let's go back till we find something that's a bit shorter than that. That has at least 3 guys. Yeah. You look pretty interesting. Resolve mode. Okay. Go. We'll go with max bit and min bit. Max bit and min bit. Yay. Go. Min bit. Okay. Go, 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 go. Place. And there's one more I gotta find, which is, who are you? Need to reset this guy. Like that. Move forward. Okay. From string 66. Is being replaced with a profiling bit. Like that. In here. Specifically. Okay. That's not working. Why not? VK tool. Sorry? Okay, I must have screwed something up here. Again. Just not surprising. Reset again. Goodbye. Okay, first things first. In here. Not doing that. Where? Okay, resolve. Placing 1. Placing 2. Okay, VK tool purpose is being replaced with VK mode. Resolve mode. K underscore resolve mode. With here, in here. Additional features. Bit is being replaced with average bit. Is it? Okay. Here and here. Min bits. Here and here. And then we have in here, we're going to have some extra something or other. And then we're going to have this guy be like sample 0-bit. And we're good. Well, are we? No, we're not. Of course we're not. What's going on, boys? Test. These guys are backwards. 42. 2-string 42. Okay. And that. Now we're good. Hopefully this is early enough that we can actually use. One thing I do want to do is 2-string. No, from string. This guy, I wanted to reverse these guys. Like that, right? And same thing up here, I think. X and Enum. Only. Oh, look at that. macOS Clang now works. Did I miss adding the tests? Do I build the I build the tests. Oh no, I'm sorry, what am I miss? Oh. I still have this one here. Wow, I'm just making an absolute garbage hash of this all. Okay. This fails, still. Resolve max bit. Back then, it's still a Chronos bit. Oh, wow. I am just... this is a crap show. Okay. Okay, who worked, who didn't? Windows didn't work. Windows is too old, right? Or it's... yeah, okay. Cannot allocate array of constant size 0. Oh, come on. Come on. Really, you just can't. Hmm. Hmm. This is annoying. Microsoft's going to throw a wrench into my plans. My plans. My beautiful plans. It cannot accept items of length 0. Because I don't know why. C2466. I don't even think I have a Windows VM on this. Test this out on. So. Not good. Not good. And then these guys just don't exist either. Ubuntu's just too old. Let me guess, right? Old compiler. 740. Clang's probably also old as well. What is this? Ubuntu 4818. Debian's probably old, even older, right? Debian is newer than Ubuntu. I gotta figure that out later too. Great. Great. Okay. What if I was to change it to... Okay, hold on. First of all, let's actually... dash I head and... let's go back 10 or so. No, there's no... it's not even 10. Let's go back 5. Go. Too many items in here. Log one line. What do we got? 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll just whoop. Do. Okay, so what do we got for GitLab CI CD? CICDF. This is all this. Really force push that in. Holy crap, it's pretty warm here. It's like 0 degrees out there? Jeez. Let's see what it's coming out with now. It's going to be wrong. It's not going to be too bad. And at least, if it's going to do like the starts with and ends with, it's going to throw a lot of these compilers out there. It's probably a good indication that, I should probably backport it a little bit. These guys are having trouble because of that. That makes sense. Microsoft's having trouble because, and what's with ClangCL then? ClangCL is because of Kronos. I wonder, does it even, is like this actually like in this header? Mode max bit Kronos? No, so they are, oh my god, they are changing them. That really throws this in for quite a... That means I need to strip off like EXT, NV, and AMD off the backs of these guys as well. If I want to keep them compatible into the future, or forwards or backwards compatible. This is okay. See, this is why you don't test your code or try to set up pipelines for your code, because then it unleashes, it opens this Pandora's box of things you didn't even think about in your limited environment. It causes so much extra work for something you thought you had basically been done with. And I gotta figure out this freaking extension nonsense. I gotta figure out how to go backwards. A bunch of Vulkan types. I need to set the compiler version back if I want to be compatible with even like Ubuntu or the Windows Microsoft zero array size thing. Why can't it handle zero array sizes? Can it? Yeah, okay. And that means I'm also going to have to do the same thing for these guys. These guys can't have the XT and Chronos and whatever tagged onto the end, because if they change, then that throws them out. Uh-huh. Hmm. Okay. So I got I got four big-ish things to do, bigly things to do. This is going to be terrible. What do I want to focus on first? At least Fedora's nice. It's working as expected. Thank you. Okay, let's look on the C20 thing first. Let's see if I can bring myself back down to like 17 at least. 17. Let's go. Make. So that should only be like the begins with, starts with, and ends with. Which shouldn't be too difficult to work to do. So if it starts with prefix. Hmm. Okay, string compare is. Hold on. Hmm. Okay, okay. What about if we go back to like C string? C string headers. I don't even need locale. Hmm. Ah, here we go. String compare. This looks about right. This and this. String n compare. String number compare. For prefix of size. C string. Or just data. It works a bit better. Let's see if it ends with. Oh god, this is. Oh god. String and compare. Like that. String compare. String and compare. Of type name dot data plus name dot minus I. Boy, this is. F0 equals 0. Okay. IT dot size. Sorry, what vendor tag is? Oh, yes. Size. I'm going to expect that if I reopen this file, it's going to be much easier. Or not, because compile commands is back, right? Let's reopen. looking quite a bit better. Include C string, which I already have. IT.data. Woohoo! And I want to do the same thing down here. IT.size. It's quite a bit heavier. But I'd rather heavier and more compatible. Now basically got the same thing going on here. If it ends with tightening dot size, flag bits, bamboozling time. String and compare equals 0. Size, IT data. Flag bits. Okay, let's just see. Turn off the test building for now. Let's change it to build these guys. Okay, where are the files? Are there even the files? Did they generate? I don't see them. Okay, I must have just exited out somewhere. I don't know. Sorry. Where's the application right now? Input file. Are you sure about? Yes, you're actually quite right. Correct? Actually, no, you're not. It's dash I. I changed it. Okay, let's just keep going until we actually hit one that succeeds. And if not, then we have a problem. No, we actually succeeded. But then we failed down here. Equals 0. Nope, not you. Okay, then we have to just do kind of the same thing inside of here. Okay, this is a function that I've already modified, which is just great. So it means I don't actually have to redo it. Correct? As is this guy up here. Close. I almost have the same thing, but I don't. Not quite. Okay. Let's go to 1600. Here we are. String length of vendor tags I. Let's do this just like that. Vendor size, vendor tags I. Tags of I. And then we do similar down here for these guys. That, like just so. Let's check if that works. It does. So now we're 17 compatible. Are we? Did I test with Chronos and EXT and stuff? No, I don't really think I did. That's terrible. More things I did not test. All right, better take a break. Okay, let's continue. So I C++ 17. This stuff. So now what do I need to do? I need to. Is there even a difference in here? I don't think there's a really difference. No. But there will be in the CPP side. It shouldn't be too much. But first I should probably actually run the application. Make sure what comes out is correct. thought I fixed that. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Make test. Make sure they work. Okay. So that's good. Cancel these guys out. They don't really matter. What are you doing? Yes. Reduced. C plus requirement down to whoa, I don't do I even need 17 either? Like, can I just do like 14? I don't think I have any 17 specific stuff either, really. Maybe I can go all the way down to 11. No, I have string view and stuff. So 17 is as far back as I'm going to go. Down to C++ 17. Was a bit too much of a reach for many distributions. For many OSs. Flavors. With which, plus 20 is a version too far. Okay. So push that up. That should help a little bit. Now I need to figure out how to go around removing the VKEXT stuff. VK, ENV, NVIDIA EXT, AMD, Intel. Stuff from all the enum types and bits, flags, enums, what have you. Then I can focus on the zero array sizes from Windows, and then we should be basically done. Again, for reals this time. Okay, I want to see if there is a bit like NV, right? And Chronos. Okay, so those the vendors are always at the very end, so I can probably get rid of them on the processing side, which makes it more forward and backwards compatible when they add or remove frickin' vendor tags. Huzzah. So I already moved them from I think I need something similar where I'll just remove. Okay, hold on. These are just regulars. They don't have NVIDIA or what have you on them. Oh, man. But I can't test that because they keep changing. Ah! This is the problem I had with VK Resolve. VK Resolve on some of the systems has Chronos tagged onto the end as Gazebo, and the others, like this one, don't. Okay. Okay, so first things first. Position, the name equals first attribute. That's great. Enums. Um, vendor tag name. Okay, let's see how we can do for this, shall we? Name vendor tags and that. Void and no. Okay. For each of these, for vendor tags, if name and then plus one. So I need to remove the vendor tag plus the extension bit as well. So first of all, we go down here. We don't do this. We double check that it works on the current set, and then we check if it actually removes these guys. Yeah, okay, whatever. And around the line 1,000. Chronos, Chronos bits. And an extension enum down here. Perfect. So let's remove the vendor tag. Vendor tag list. Oh my god. I'm really hating aliases. Standard string view. No, it's a freaking. String n compare. Let's give that one a go, shall we? Equals 0. Comma them up correctly. Okay, let's have a look what's going on. Okay. Come back for the next alias. sRGB, nonlinear. Okay. Alias view says it's that, which is correct. Now we want to do is remove. Okay, that's what I was missing. Vendor tag list, and alias view. Give that a go. Sorry. We seem to be okay. And we've removed Chronos, we've removed EXT. It looks good. Not really a fan of that. But here we go. Okay. Can I just freaking ignore these guys, for God's sakes? It's getting annoying. There we go. That's a bit easier. Or extra output files. Close all these guys. Remove vendor tags. I'm really liking this. Wait, hold on. Shared bit and oh, Android. Hold on, what's going on here? Validation cache ext. That's interesting. This guy still got it. ext. Oh my god! Because there was two exts. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, okay. Sure. Okay, I'm just, yeah, okay. Many of the number flag bit values were had tags are often dropped, leading to incompatibilities. The forward backward compatibilities. Vendor tags. Stripped from all values. Okay. That helps that. Now, what's the last one they need to do? Vendor tag bits. We need to remove the vendor tags from the actual names, such as like VK display event type extension sets. It should just not have ext in them anymore. Yes, that's the only thing we need to do now. exist with compatibility. Choose. And we'll also add this to the help blurb in here. So all I gotta do now is I've gotta remove them from the names. Enum count, enum prefix, vendor tag list. Wait, what? What? I don't... What? What? What was I thinking about this? The same value. I mean, this value I can't read, admittedly. It's an incomplete. Why is it an incomplete type? I swear, what's... Why? Just why? Why? I don't know why. Okay, one thing is for sure. I don't think I quite need to do that. Prefix size is the same thing as prefix, right? Because we don't make any modifications to it, nor do we make any modifications to prefix itself. Prefix.size. I don't understand why I had this as well. Just go. Yeah, see, we're good. And if I was to copy this into here, it'll be just the exact same thing. Right? Yeah, no changes. Just to add these. Vendor tags. Okay, that's done. Go away. Okay, vendor prefixes. The prefix is name attribute, sets, I don't know. Yeah, take a break. Okay, so where was I? I had this done. that was the prefix. What I need is to remove. Hold on. Remove vendor tag. If and -1. If what that points to equals an underscore, then we need to remove it, reduce by one more name. So name dot substring 0, name dot size -1. Otherwise, we can just reuse it for type attribute. Huh. Okay. What if we just remove vendor tag? Remove vendor tag from the beginning. Vendor tag list. Okay. String view name type name equals name attribute value wonderful. All right. And then we can just use that instead of having it folded into the process enum prefix thing. Right? Its type name is VK image yeah, okay. I need something that actually has a freaking name in it. If equals something, then red equals 5. We'll just put that in there so we can find yes, something like this. Just remove it from the end. Doesn't matter where. Just that's all it does. Is it just removes like that. Go. Okay, VK acceleration requirements type. Type remove that. So the type name now becomes that. Perfect. Because what happens in here? Get out. Uh-huh. I don't understand why why basic string is an incomplete type still. It still boggles my mind. Get rid of this. This doesn't really matter. Not yet, anyways. First of all, it removes vendor tags from the end. It's always the vendor tags are always at the very end of whatever we're looking at. I'll look at it in a second. Correct. Go to right to, like, yeah, around here. NVIDIA, AMD, and what have you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove vendor tag removals from this bit. Return string. Don't need vendor tags anymore. And we should do that from type name. Like that. Doesn't crash. Processes all. Right. Good. Now we have extra underscores, but we still have these things. Because we're not doing it from here. Do that. Okay. Flag bits are still correct. Okay. Now what we need to do is remove is trim left, right. Okay, this sun is absolutely roasting me. Holy crap. It's supposed to be the middle of winter. Okay, I gotta move. This is burning me. Okay. Let's carry on now. I cooled off in a secluded, shaded area. What have I done? Yes, I removed those guys. So this is literally the same as the other type up here, right? No, it's not. This is also trying to remove vendor tags still. Okay, what I need is I need a function that removes vendor tags, period. Param. Okay. In the case of this, it would not have been that. It would have been like a process. Yeah, whatever. NVX sets. Yeah, okay. So I'm missing a bunch of things here. Oh, no. What's going on? Where's the other guy? Dedicated only bit. Why? Why? There's extra ones here. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Huh? Okay. Okay, this is terrible. This is... Hmm. Okay, ignoring this for the moment. You guys, vendor tag counts. Uh-huh. This is some terrible stuff. Third name. View. This is spiraling out of control, guys. There's more and more stuff goes into the bin of needing to be changed. I had it so simple back in the day. So simple. What if we just what do we have? We change that out. Okay, let's go back to what we had in the first place. Vendor tag, and we'll just change this out to be like this. Okay, let's just run it. So I guess we'll just wait. Hold on. Add comments about stripping vendor tags. Remove vendor tags from enums flag bits. I'm seeing NV. Okay. Ah, yes. Let's copy that. Let's turn it into a functional function. Let's set it back. Let's do this. Move vendor tag equals name equals that. View equals that. Alias view equals that. Let's make sure that works. And that mostly works. Now let's just let's just do a trimming function. Trim string. Trim view. Where is the trimming bits? Where do we trim it? Okay, let's just do trim point. Trim point equals view dot begin. Actually, no, what am I doing? For size t I equals 0, I less than view dot size I. Okay, we'll just go through and then we'll just change the thing when we want to. If is enum and then break. Yeah, okay, so view equals dot substring of I. Trim that many off the beginning, and then we're good for that. And then trim from left. Trim right. I'm pretty sure I just basically have this up here already, like trim. They also had locale for some reason, which I don't really need. Yeah, I don't really need that, do I? Okay. I equals view.substring. Size -1, actually. I is greater or equal to 0. That's super wrong. Greater than 0. Greater or equal to 0. Minus I. If you dot empty, then just return it, so I don't run into the issue where return view, and do the same thing here. If it's just nothing but blah, then return it, then return view. If is enum view I? View equals view.substring 0 for I plus 1. Non-enum. Trim non-alphanumeric. Trims non-alpha numeric characters from the string view. Trim Okay, let's see if trimming non-alphanumeric works. No, it did not. Oh, joy. Why? Oh, no, let me guess. I got... It's not +1. Trim it to that point. No, that doesn't work either. This point just never fires, does it? It never trims from the right. Yes, it does. 24. View.size is 24. If not is alphanumeric. Then keep removing it. couldn't find blah blah blah. No, that's the wrong way around. That's unfortunate. That's oh my god, I must be the world's biggest idiot to not. +1, +1. Like this. Retry. The debugger failed to start. Whoops. Please don't. Go away. Color space nonlinear. Alias view equals trim non-alphanumeric of alias view. Oh, that does work. So I am just a bit of an idiot. Haha. I just didn't read the output of the freaking tests. So that's good. Do I actually modify type name? I do. But it's not what I return. Type name dot size is greater than size. Then do this. Otherwise, we'd run into a bit of a segfault problem. Then that's just a substring of the same thing, and then we just go through and do return string and generate the return string. Okay, now we need to go where process enum prefix was. Down here. Flag bits are still removing them, which is great. Is remove vendor tag. Then tag list. Moving name attribute value. Like that, And we put that in instead. Like that, That's quite a bit better. That's the exact same. We're doing good. I'd like to stage this at least. Now, for moving on from that point, I want to do this is a lot of not fun. Okay, first of all, we're going to do remove vendor tags. Which is going to be this. I'm going to put it down here. Right before this guy. View, 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 view. We don't do this anymore. And then type name equals remove vendor tag. Type name like that. I want to make sure that that works. Make test. Okay. That's a step forward. I can't believe I'm spending all this time on this thing. Damn. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, and then we remove it from this guy. Oh, good. Of course, I'm also pretty sure I'm not actually checking vendor tag types. Am I? I need something that's pretty early on that has Chronos types. I know they're around here somewhere. KHR. Present mode. Yes. You're always going to have Chronos attached. That's just how you roll. With vendor tags. Okay, so require. Immediate. Chronos. KHR. Mm-hmm. Interesting. That is immediate. All right. Okay. Make test. It is still working. From string equals that. Ooh. I also want to make sure it works without the KHR. On to the ends of these guys. Or see the other way around. Okay, and what about two string? Two string. Stringifier. Stringify. Enum. Chronos. Okay, percent mode immediate chronos equals immediate yep. Okay, first of all, what we want to do is we want to add test cases. But I don't want to. Don't want to add that. Do I need? Oh my god! I hate. Stop adding this. Test cases for with permanent with vendor tags. Crap, I didn't want to do that, did I? Undo, undo. Like that. Nah, ba 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 ba. Goodbye, goodbye, da 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 da. And then down here, we gotta fix these guys up. Like this. Bam. Move vendor tag. Now vendor tag is no longer part of this guy. And we can move this guy down to there. And we're also checking to make sure that... No, we're not. We should. Only if it's larger. If it's equal, then obviously it doesn't matter. Do that. You can make tests, make sure they work. Good. Properly split vendor. So they could be reused for flag bits, content, values. Okay. It's looking a little bit better every day. Just a tiny bit closer. Now the last interesting one is removing it from these guys, isn't it? Do I want to remove it from that? The answer is probably. I'm wondering if I really should remove it from the enum name, type name. I mean, I'm sure a lot of these were failing because of that, or would have. Um, hmm. The one in here is just so old. The one in Mac OS is new enough, but it was still had Chronos attached, didn't it? Okay, I just can't even look at it. How dare I try to look at it? That's a bit better, but yeah, these guys still had Chronos. These EXT ones are probably going to stay as they are for a long time. So I might actually just want to change out to these guys. Okay, let's push this up. Push what we have up right now. See what's going to break from right now while I look on this. Okay, let's go through these guys and fix these guys up. So, VK resolve for mode for bits is now turning into VK debug report underscore. We're going to change it for here. Bam. And we're going to change it for here. Bam. Min bit, debug bit. Sorry, max bit is going to become this. Max bit becomes that for you and you. Error bit. These guys become error bit, min bit. Become error bit. You and you. VK resolve on flag bits. Oh, don't tell me you don't exist. Really, you're not going to exist on this version of thing, are you? You're joking. God, this is really hard. Trying to find things that I can actually use to test across the whole. No, you were to ext. This is an extension type. You'd be quite right. XT. Like that. Yes. Yeah, now we're actually testing both at the same time. Hilarious. Can I actually go to the... There we go. This is a whole lot of... Whoops. Performance warning bit. Ba-ba-bam. And then do this as an ext. Yeah, okay. That should be a bit more easier. I hope. I really do hope. This is getting real annoying. Oh yeah, it's actually happening. Let's turn the music up. It's a pretty joyous track at the same time. For me. For me, anyways. It works. It's getting there. Hours and hours ago. MSVC is terrible. What would you expect from a sole source provider, I suppose? Are these guys just slow or like what? Or yeah, okay, no, they're succeeding. Or are they? Are they just frozen at the end or something? Or like no? Okay, I don't know what's going on. They're coming through. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs way up. Now I just gotta figure out why Microsoft can't compile it very well. I mean, I understand it's not a compiler. It never was never accepted C++11. But still, it's why would you stop this? Why? Why? But hey. Okay, we're gonna leave these freaking end bits to later. What matters right now is the zero stuff. That is what I'm really interested in right now. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. How do I deal with the zero size arrays? Because right now, this thing down here is using them exactly, unless I set these guys as null pointers. Ooh. I guess I would have to. Because, okay, they're set down here, right? Something sets. Okay, yeah. If enum count equals not equals 0, and do this, else. One, two, three, four. Null pointer, comma, new line. Like that, right? Let's give that one a go. So we should have a couple of null pointers in here, basically where, not here, here. So last two ones up here correspond to these guys. Perfect. Okay. Now, value sets. New attribute if equals 1, then we generate it. Otherwise, we don't. Aha. Okay, just make sure VK something extension display subchain present mode chrono sets are after a couple of null pointers, so these guys should all work without issue. Actually, no, I should copy it in first to make sure it works without issue. Then check that they work without issue. And they do. Okay, good. Good. So that should sort out. MSVC could not handle more sized. Not. Handles this by okay, with this one, all of them should succeed. To think earlier, I was going on. Oh, I'll just freaking remove all but Fedora, because why would I care? Because I'm always on the bleeding edge. Now, with an extra day's worth of post-processing work, this, oh my god, like if this was like a freaking task and work, I would have probably just called it quits after I got the first initial thing and just let it be free. When I have to freaking build a CI/CD, it just explodes. A whole bunch of other things I have to do. It works. It works. It works. Ba-ba-bum. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm a cruiser. F5, reload. They all pass! It's magic. Okay, now do I really... Now for removing these guys from the actual type names. Const expression const. Does this even do anything? I'm doubtful. Okay, const expression specifier used on an object declaration or non-static member function implies const. Const expression specifier used in a function declaration implies inline. If any declaration of a function or function template has a const expression specifier, then every declaration must contain that specifier. So, no. Fucking pasting const onto everything was a dumb idea. Woohoo! So let's just kill it. Const turns into just const expression. Yes, 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 yes. Moved const from const expression declarations implies const already. Okay. I mean, that's... No, I didn't finish it. I just did that, didn't I? Need to actually apply it, build it, and then... Whoa, hold on. Sorry, what? Oh my god. I need it for that guy. Woohoo! Good thing I freaking tested that one first. No, I didn't do that. This is constant. Oh, it's a const expression of everything, but that needs to be const as well. Which means... down here somewhere. There you are. Const to this guy. Cruiser. And you need to be a freaking const string anyways for vendor tags. This is annoying. Okay. That's a little bit of improvement. Like the array was const expression, but the values inside are const, so I needed to also apply const to this guy. Oh my god. A little bit confusing. Okay, still, do I want to remove these guys? If I remove these guys, this is going to get a bit more complicated because of some shared names, if I recall. Because if I do it here... If I do that, non-vendor name, there are issues, mostly here, because these guys exist twice. Opaque, 132. Oh my god, they are completely different sets. Ooh, man, that is... Oh God. Why would they do this? Oh my God. Why would they do this? Flag bit sets and flag bits NV sets. I know. I don't. Is it back? Oh my God. Why would they do this? 1, 2, flag bits and flag bits NV. Like the NVIDIA set had these. And then later they came up and said, this is a great idea, but we need to change the flags? They'll pick 3, 2, and bit 2 and bit 3 versus bit 1 and 2. Oh! Just, well, it's the same thing for the other one, right? Memory feature flags, bit sets? Dedicated only? No, those are fine. Oh wow! So that I can't do that. I cannot remove it from these guys. These guys need to have their suffixes on because the vendor tags, because there's one NVIDIA pair of flags that. Yeah. Okay. Let's push this up. I can't do that last thing. I cannot. There's many things I can do. That is one which I cannot deal with. Get away. Okay, I need to improve the help readme just a little bit. Do. Is it the same? It's still the same. Okay, that's great. What am I looking for? I'm looking for. Go to declaration. Go to declaration. VK tool purpose. There we go. That makes a bit more sense. So let's update the blurbs just a little bit for these guys. Like that. Mm-hmm. It could be read similarly. Okay. All the following convert. The West, what you do with the above rules applicable, de-stringifying. Updated help. And readme. Push. And if this already passes, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna merge straight in. Git checkout master. Git merge. CD. Git push. That's a number of insertions and removals. 15 commits today. Uh-oh. Did I just tag removal? I got that extra guy in there. Right, screw me. Dash D, CICD. Let's go ahead, remove that guy. Let's also remove him from here. Ah, boy. That's a bit of an ordeal. Let's check the GitHub and make sure it looks all right over there. Enum Stringifier. I need to edit the tag, so it's C++ 17 now. Manage topic, sorry. CPP 17. Done. Enum flags. Flag bits. Bit set. For and change this 17 or newer. And I gotta fix that in the README too. Dang it. $17. Do that. But otherwise it is the new one, correct? Yes. Okay, what's the last thing I want to do? Probably like little shields. Wee little shields. I don't want to do code coverage. Perhaps 17, 17, save that. So, going to that guy. He should have what I'm looking for, which is to say shield for at least one of these things. Okay, we got what? License. And that, like, bam. Goodbye, goodbye. I need to be able to look at this guy. So one thing's for sure, it's not the right one. Enum Stringifier. That. And that. It's right, running right now. That makes sense. It's not the right license. Probably have an updated one in here somewhere. You. 2.0. There we go. Apache 2.0. Lovely. Add line license badges to README. Yeah, right. I don't want that. Thank you. Great. And then the last one I want is for the code coverage thing. If I can figure that out real quick, that would be fantastic. But we don't want that. Copy and paste on top of that. Thank you. ×2. There's no coverage on this guy yet. Do I even have code coverage on this guy? I don't. Yeah, I do. So what do I need to do? Let's see, actually, make CCOV report. Go. Report to me. 100% code coverage. Really? Okay. I want to look at this. Fine, let's go. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. You build code coverage. Show me the bright light. Going all the way down here. Yeah? Yeah, I do cover it all. Amazing. So, what we're going to do then is we are going to close him up. We're going to move him over here. We're going to close this guy up, and we're going to move this guy over here. And then I'm going to open up the pipeline for this guy. Analysis. That in the analysis stage. Move it back. Do. Analysis. Fast analysis. Don't care. Code coverage. Bunch of stuff that expires in a day because it's just for me. Code coverage on. Build tests on. Don't care about any of the rest of this stuff. Correct. Yep. Well, I'm not so much on the hot cop now. Ooh. It's been a little while. Close you up. Don't need you. Is there anything else I'm thinking of? I don't really think. Okay, git dash B code coverage. It's just coverage shield. C pipeline job. Run without dying. I demand it. Okay. Here we go. I want to know what specifically. No, tell me what's not mixed content. Okay, what exactly in here is the mixed content that's failing? Can someone explain to me? Can I just network right? There we are. Okay, refresh this guy. Who is not secure? Tell me. Everyone is secure. Okay. Tell me what was. Yeah. Oh, that's great, and that's the certificate and that, but whatever. Ah, hello, you failed. Aha! Unknown. Oh, I don't have an all target. Yeah, you're right about that one. Yep. Do that. F. Just push it for now, and don't forget it this time that I have an F in there for fix up. Let's just make sure it works. Okay, now you got to tell me what's not secure. What's not secure? What what part isn't secure? I don't know what part is this guy? Is this guy not secure or like? No, he's secure. I, is it this guy? No. I, who is it? I don't. Loading makes the avatars. Okay. This guy is secure. So why do you think he's not? Whatever. Okay, did he fail yet? No, he's not failed yet. Okay, so one thing I want to do is open this guy, a new tab, and find settings CICD. I need the badges. Badges for pipeline triggers, variables, shields. Where is it? Where's the badges? You. Do 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 it. Maybe it's just under general then. General. Indeed, it was. You. He works. It's beautiful. Okay. So get rebase dash. Let's fix him up into the other one. Git merge CCOV. Push him up. CCOV. Let's do just remove him here. Don't need him. Nearly 4 hours worth of work for something so small. Oh well. Hopefully someone will find it useful other than me. Ooh, that looks ugly. On the readme. It's not readable. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. It's probably a bit more readable, right? Let's get rid of this guy. Let's expand him out. Yeah. It's not done. Not yet. Okay, now he is. Let's go to details. It's green! It's great! Okay, let's push this guy up. Waste a bit of time. Then, now we're finally done. Okay. Nope. Come back up. Go away. Reload. Yeah, 100%. Probably went a bit crazy on the commits, but okay, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy about this. That's that.